You know it's going to be a good morning when you flip your pancake, it stays in the pan, and it's not burnt on the other side. That is a good morning start. So this is a salted caramel quattro protein pancake, which I'm going to top with some creamy almond butter from Costco and a dash of the Maple Walden Farms syrup. And then we have some coffee because we need coffee. And then in about an hour and a half or so, I'm gonna go to Alice Lake and run the trails up there. So I'll take you guys up there, show you the trails, and this will be day one of Seawheeze. I am all fueled up. I had my protein pancake this morning, which I showed you guys, and fully digested that guy, and getting ready to go head out to the trails and do the day one of my Seawheeze training program as I prepare for the Lululemon I Seawheeze half marathon, which will be happening in Vancouver kind of mid-August. Now, the cool thing about this half marathon is, well, it's put on by Lululemon, so it's amazing, but also that you get training shorts in the mail. Now, these are exclusive Lululemon Seawheeze shorts that they make just for Seawheeze competitors, and they're always like really cool and exciting to get. So this is going to be my fifth year doing the Seawheeze. I didn't do it last year, so it's actually going to be the 6th year of the race occurring. So this will be my 5th pair of Seawheeze shorts. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I've gotten up until this point, and then hopefully tomorrow in the mail I'll be getting my new ones because they ship them out on Friday. Usually it's pretty quick because they're coming from Vancouver and I'm just up the road in Squamish, so it should be a pretty quick delivery phase. Alright, so in the mail, got the new Seawheeze shorts. So here I just have my collection, but I'm missing one pair from the first year, the very first year ever. They were white Lululemon shorts, really crappy quality, polka dot ones. Second year were the plaid ones. Third year were these kind of 3D ones. They actually came with 3D glasses in the shorts. The pattern kind of popped off when you wore the glasses. It was kind of cool. Fourth year was this whole like different vials of like sweat and stuff, I think is what they were like referring to it as. So there's really, really funky patterns with the Seawheeze store. And this year, I don't know if you can see these, but there's like eyeballs, there's a mouth with lips, there's like a hand and flowers, and their eye and lips. And I really get kind of like the 70s like vibe from these. So we'll see what kind of patterns show up at the showcase store. But the last thing I got was this little booklet. So this is the Seawheeze 2017 Runner's Guide. So let's open this guy up and see what we got. Okay, let your stride move you forward like the unrelenting waves. That's nice. Okay, so there's just descriptions of what the different things are. So there's like your interval runs, your time trial, your long run, strengthen your stride workout, recovery run, and other terminology they've just broken down. So on the inside, this is kind of cool. There's not a chance you guys can actually see that, but let me zoom in here. So it's breathe in, run wild. It's a theme. So as we come down to here, oh, that says May. So all the ones in this color are the workouts for May. So if we were to take a look at this, first one, oh man, that is hard to zoom in. It's on the crease. Nope, not gonna happen. There we go. Oh. So Monday, May the 8th is when this program starts. Starts with an easy run, 30 minutes. And you have strengthen your stride, interval run, strengthen your stride workout, rest day, and long run. So that's kind of what it looks like for the first week there. So that's their plan. I have a slightly different one. And basically it just takes you all the way around until you get to we are in August, which is the blue. And there we go. Race day, August 12th. So, on Monday, May the 8th, we are officially 100 days out from the Seawheeze. For today is to do a 8 probably an 8 to 10 kilometer trail run out at Alice Lake. Now, I also signed up for my first race, I should say, of the season. So I will be doing the Loop the Lakes race. Blah. At Alice Lake coming up mid-May, which is going to be an 8 kilometer trail run. I did it last year, did really well. I ended up second, so I have no expectations for myself this year, as I really have not been running as much as I'm used to. So this is kind of day one, getting back into it and following a structured running specific training program tailored for the half marathon. Yeah. I am exhausted. Did my first trail run out at Alice Lakes today, and trails were pretty good. It was, I'd say probably like 70% dry, 30% wet. So as a result of that, we get lovely freaking mud marks on the inside of the shins. To me, this is always an indication that you've had a really good run. If you end your run and you have either like mud scrapes all over the inside of your legs, or I remember like when I used to run track and field, I'd have little scrapes from my spikes, which wasn't the best. But it also, for some reason, to me, showed that I had a really good run and I was very focused and I was going pretty fast because, I don't know, just a sign that I got from it. Mika, are you ready to go out for your walk now? Come here. Oh, you're sad. Let me foam roll, Mika. Come on. Okay, stop. Oh my goodness. So, trying to foam roll while Mika is out is a terrible idea. Oh well. I'm gonna continue this on, and I might have to put her in the crate.